Holy fuck!
Holy crap!
This is the biggest rain and hailstorm I've seen in a while. Hopefully there's not.
Dude, look at that over there. Look at that. Friggin'.
Hey.
Dude, when I was living myself, my mom. Dude, look at this hail. It's huge. Well, there is this time when the Pioneers could had like a terrible hailstorm, like so bad it covered the ground.
Look at all the hail that's hitting the ground.
Yeah, and it's like, and then you get it for ice cream.
Jesus crockamole!
Look at that!
Hey.
Oh, holy crap! I ain't getting no Alex!
Hey,
Look at that stuff!
look at this. This is at least golf balls or quarter-size hail. No, this is about quarter-size, half golf ball. I don't know.
Jeez almighty, I'm so nuts. Mom, look at this!
Holy crap. Everything's filling up with some water in a couple areas. The sky's loud. That's good to know.
It looks like you live in a creepy neighborhood.
If only that was funny.
This one is the ground.
Well,
One of them got like 15. I know, you
I almost wonder how hard it's going down. Okay, I go out and try and see if the hail hit me, but I'm afraid the rain will get my phone too wet.
Oh, I'm getting wet.
Well, this is a hailstorm.